In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a VPC, that is a virtual private cloud for a Laravel 12 application, and how to create an EC2 instance and connect it to the virtual private cloud. So in this video, we'll see how to create VPC, and then we can create an EC2 instance and connect it to a virtual private cloud. Okay, so let's type VPC. Plus, if you type VPC here, just click on this VPC link. So once I click, we'll say create a new VPC, and you can see that we are getting four subnets, one for each zone here, US East 1A and US East 1B. So this should be auto-selected VPC and more. So we are using a free tier, so we'll use so this is auto-selected, and here we will type Laravel 12. Let's rename this to Laravel 12 so you can see all the route tables and the network connections are changed to this name which I gave here. Now, if we come here down, so let's keep this as it is and let's create a new VPC. So the AWS will create a VPC for us. Okay. And once this is done, then we can view our VPC and we can see that the VPC is uh, active now and the state is available. So now next step what we need to do is we need to go to EC2 instance. Okay, click on EC2. Okay, once we click, so we do not have any EC2 instances at the moment. So if I go to the dashboard, you can see there are no instances running. So let's create a new instance. Okay, and this will be a Laravel 12 app. Okay, now let's scroll down and let's select Ubuntu. Okay, and this setting should be as it is. Architecture should be 64-bit to 86. And this is the free tier that we will be using. Let's create a new key pair. So I will say Laravel 12 key pair and I will click on create new key pair. So this will be automatically downloaded into your system. So keep it safe. And next, what we are going to see is network settings. So VPC is equal to this. So this is not our VPC that we created. So now what we will do is we'll edit this option over here and we will select our VPC that we created, that is Laravel 12 VPC. Okay. And subnet we will use as the uh, okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to select the public IP address. Okay. Uh, so from our VPC that we created, so we are going to select this. Okay, this public IP address from here. Then what we are going to do is we are going to enable the auto assigning IP addresses. Okay, okay, we will disable it because then it will cost us some because it goes outside the free tier. So then we are going to create a new security group for this. We're going to rename this to Laravel 12. Okay, security group as security group. Okay, I'm just going to keep this. So we know which security group we are assigning it to the application. Then for descriptions, we are going to add a group rule, and we are going to say HTTP here. So we are going to select HTTP here, and you can see the port range is 80. So I'll try to also add HTTPS. I'll see if it is not charged, then I will add it. So HTTPS. Okay, let's select HTTPS. Okay, and you can see that the port range is 443. So we are allowing from any IP address that is from anywhere on the internet. You can uh, access this application. Uh, okay, now what we are going to do is so everything is set up. So we are going to launch the instance now. Okay, it's telling me to add a CIDR. Okay, so we are going to say CIDR here. So we'll say it can be accessed from anywhere. Similar to this, it goes to this as well. So so we have set this, and then what we are going to do is we are going to launch this on instance, and this will launch our instance now. And you can see that the instance is successfully launched. So if we go to our instances now, it will show us our instance running. Okay. This is how you create a virtual private cloud, and then we can map it to EC2 instance. So in the next video, we'll see how to create the application and other configurations. So thank you guys for watching.